All right, guys, got Matt here. He's going to do 5 boxes. Last 5 we actually had in the warehouse. 2016 Leaf Metal Perfect Game All-American. Good luck, sir. I start off with the redemption card. Mitchell Stone. Jason Gonzalez. Javion Carrier Ward. Connor Olson. Black parallel, number to 15. Jason Gonzalez. It's number to 10. Jordan Adell. Also to 10. Patch autograph of Drew Waters. Number 14 of 30. And Alejandro Terrell. Patch autograph 22 of 30. Another one of those redemptions. Caleb Sloan, base. Alex Sheriff, blue. To 50. Cole Turney, base. Stephen Williams. To 20. D.L. Hall. Green to 10. Jonathan Rodriguez. That's number 2 of 12. Shane Baz. Black parallel, number to 15, and Caleb Sloan, number 3 of 15, 2-color patch auto. What's going on, Tim? All right, Brady McConnell, base. Calvin Mitchell, base. Jonathan Rodriguez, base. Drew Waters, red parallel, 1 of 5. Kyle Hurt, 10 of 10. Therese Fuller, 3 of 3. And patch autographs of Jordan Adell to 30. And that's a cool piece right there. Tanner Burns, 3 of 3. Nike the swoosh on it, too. Oh, Tim, I was happy, buddy. I was very happy. Can't wait to collect on that dinner that's owed to me now. It's going to be a great day. Tim Elko. Jacob Gonzalez. Luis Camposano. To 50. Tanner Burns to 12. Ben Jordan, red parallel, 1 of 5. Javon Carrier Wood to 20. Mervo Melendez. That is number to 25. Oh, dang. These things look so sweet. Tyler Freeman. Game ball signatures, 2 of 2. Those cards are so wicked. Love those things. And the last box. Joe Boyle. Jacob Heatherly to 50. Kyle Jacobson, base. Garrett Hunter Ruth to 20. Seth Corey, black refractor to 15. Nicholas Stores, 2 of 12. Hunter Green. And another wicked patch autograph here. Jordan Anderson, number 2 of 5. All right, Matt. Nice stuff, buddy. I appreciate it as always. I'll get it packed up and out ASAP.